In today's fast-paced digital world, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way we work. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a game-changing tool that enhances productivity, automates repetitive tasks, and provides intelligent assistance across various Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. However, to truly maximize its potential, you need to craft the perfect prompt. In this guide, we'll explore how to perfect your prompt with Copilot from Microsoft 365 to get the best results for your work. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 applications. It helps users create content, summarize information, analyze data, and automate workflows. By leveraging advanced AI models, Copilot provides smart suggestions, drafts emails, generates reports, and even designs presentations based on user prompts. However, the quality of Copilot's output depends largely on how well you structure your prompt. Just like asking a human for help, the way you frame your request determines the quality and relevance of the response. A well-crafted prompt ensures clarity, precision, and efficiency. Here are some essential strategies to optimize your prompts. Be clear and specific. Vague prompts lead to vague responses. Instead of saying, "Write a report on sales," try, "Generate a 2-page sales report for Q4 2024, including key trends, revenue breakdown, and top-performing products." The more details you provide, the better Copilot can tailor the output. Define the format. Copilot can generate content in various formats, including summaries, reports, presentations, and emails. Make sure to specify the format in your prompt. For example, create a PowerPoint presentation with 5 slides summarizing our marketing campaign's impact. Set the tone and style. If you want a formal business email, a persuasive sales pitch, or a casual newsletter, let Copilot know. For instance, draft a professional email to a client addressing their recent complaint and offering a solution. Provide context. Adding background information helps Copilot generate more relevant responses. Adding background information helps Copilot generate more relevant responses. For example, summarize this 10-page document into key takeaways for a leadership meeting. Use step-by-step instructions. For complex tasks, break them down into steps. For instance, analyze this Excel sheet for quarterly revenue trends. Highlight top-performing regions and suggest improvements. Refine and iterate. If Copilot's response isn't perfect, tweak your prompt and try again. For example, make this executive summary more concise and professional. Perfecting your prompts can help you use Copilot efficiently for writing and editing, data analysis, presentation creation, and task automation. Mastering prompt engineering is key to unlocking the full power of Microsoft 365 Copilot. By being clear, specific, and providing context, you can generate high-quality content and streamline your workflow. Whether you're drafting reports, analyzing data, or automating tasks, the right prompt will make all the difference. Start experimenting with Copilot today and take your productivity to the next level.